Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today I learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, brown color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. First we draw A for apple, A for ant, and use red color. The alphabets of A. Kids, again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now it is C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, now draw I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids, now draw K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K, and use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids, now draw M for moon. The alphabets of M, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids letter Q. Q for Queen. The alphabets of Q. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw R. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R. It's nitro S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use green color. Green color. It's again use green color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. It's neither U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. It's neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids neither Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and lastly draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.